Hello and welcome to Peggy's Tropical Garden. Coming to you from the Florida Keys with an unboxing from my favorite Etsy shop, TheNode. I hope you all are well. Glad you could join me today for this unboxing from TheNode. I purchased a plant that I've really been wanting. I already have one, but I wanted one that was a little bit bigger. And then the second plant that I purchased is just kind of a filler plant. Because I didn't want to pay shipping, and they have free shipping over $35. So as you can see, it was mail priority mail, and it was delivered rather quickly. So I'm expecting the same kind of packaging as always, although the shop owner did contact me and tell me that she has a little bit of issue with the hanging plants, the way she wraps them. But if anything, knowing the seller, everything is going to be just fine. So we'll see. And just that quickly, we are in the box. I'll give you a little peek in to see how everything looks. Nice and neat and orderly, as I always get from this seller, which is one of the reasons why she's my favorite seller. Everything always comes. I've never had a problem with any plant from this shop. Okay, and that is plant number 1 out of the box. And let me get this other one out here. This second one, yes, this is the one I'm real excited about. So, and she even included the plastic pot hanger for the hanging plant. So, always nice. Okay, which one should I start with? The one that I'm excited about or the filler plant, which I'm also excited about? I'm going to start with the filler plant. I got this one. I have one of these already, but it's small and it's such a beautiful plant. I figure I would get another one and fill out a pot more, so to make it a much more full plant. So let's see what it is here. I know, but you don't. So, all right. And as always, they have done a great job of packaging. And here it is. It's a Pothos Enjoy. Such a beautiful plant. And it's in excellent condition, as I would expect from this seller always. No problems here. And there you go for a close-up look. Look at those leaves. They look like they're painted. They're so pretty. That's why I love this plant so much. You know what? I think I'll go ahead. Let me at least take this plastic off. So I can, and this is how it's packaged for those of you who haven't seen one of my unboxings from this Etsy shop. She does a great job of packaging. It has some paper towel up here that's usually damp, and everything is held in place by this plastic wrap. So you can see how clean this was. There's no soil falling all over the place or anything like that. I paid $10 for this plant, and like I said, the only reason I purchased it is TheNode offers free shipping at $35. The other plant that I got, excuse me, in combination with this one, took me past that threshold. So that worked out. I may as well get a free plant, basically. I can pay for shipping or I can pay for a plant. So I got the plant instead. Now, this plant that I'm opening now, like I said, I already have one of these, but I wanted one that was fuller. I paid $28 for this, which for this plant is an excellent deal. And it was advertised to be in a 6-inch pot. You've seen me unbox one of these recently, but I'm thinking this one's going to be quite bigger. So let's see here. I'm always so hesitant to use scissors when I'm doing unboxings, because one of my first plants that I got in the mail, I hacked the plant up so bad just trying to get it out of the packaging. It was sad. I wish I had a recording of that unboxing. You guys would have been like, oh my gosh, what is she doing? All right, everything is looking good so far. Can you see what that is? I'm sure some of you know exactly what it is. It doesn't look like she did a bad packing job to me. So we will see. Take off this plastic wrap. Now, usually the plastic wrap is just around the sides. It's not across the top. So maybe that is an issue. I don't know. But she said she had an issue with these. Now, oh, well, it's a tangled mass, which is not uncommon for this plant. In fact, it's quite common for this plant. But can you see what it is? It's a string of hearts. And yes, I unboxed one of these recently, but this one as you can already tell, is much bigger than the last one that I got from, what was that? Almost Eden is where I purchased the last one. And let me see if I can untangle this, which I'm thinking, I don't know, this could really take some time. If you've ever had a string of hearts, it is notorious for tangling. And it can take an hour easily just trying to untangle these. But I'm determined to do that, but I'm not going to hold you up here for an hour trying to do this. So I'm going to move ahead. And here she is after the fact. That was a quick hour or so, and it did take me about an hour. But the top is kind of bare, so I have it somewhere where it gets sun on the top. But look at these trails, nice and full. I did lose quite a few leaves, but that's okay. The plant seems to be in good condition. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all of that, much fuller than the other one. And again, I got this for $28 and free shipping. Beautiful. And I'm just going to leave it out here on my patio. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.